Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to remove an opportunity stage in Salesforce quickly and easily. First, log into your Salesforce account and click the gear icon at the top right corner. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Advanced Setup to open the Admin panel. After that, use the quick find box and type Sales Processes. Click on the Sales Processes option from the filtered results. Now open the sales process you're currently using. This shows all the opportunity stages linked to that process. To complete the task, find the stage you want to remove in the Selected Values box. Click it once, then click the left arrow to remove it from the list. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed an opportunity stage in Salesforce. This helps keep your sales process clean and focused. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.